What's up, y'all, and welcome back to yet another video. This one's gonna be nice, short, and sweet. We're gonna be comparing the new mid-pipe that I put onto the car. So it's gonna have a various amount of different things that we're gonna be doing to capture the sound. We're gonna do revving, we're gonna do cold start, we're gonna do idling, we're gonna put a microphone on the exhaust and get clips that way, and we're gonna do some out of car shots of the car, accelerating and doing some flybys. So, for the most part, I thought that they sounded almost really similar, but then when we put the microphone on the exhaust, you really see just how different these two exhausts are. So stay tuned, let me know what you think in the comments below, and yeah, let's get into the video. All right, so now that we've listened to all the clips, here's my thoughts on the difference between the two mid-pipes. The GTHAUS definitely sounds more metallic. Somebody mentioned it in a previous video, but it sounds like almost, I don't want to say metal rattling in a can, but it kind of has that sound to it throughout the entire rev range. And I didn't realize what they were talking about until I heard it side by side with this mid-pipe. This mid-pipe seems to be a little quieter, but it definitely seems more smoothed out. It doesn't have that kind of rattling can effect throughout the RPM range, but below 4K, it kind of has that same gruntiness that I did like with the GTHAUS. So I kind of got a little bit of the best of both worlds. Also, with the axle back portion closed, this exhaust is quieter, which is great because I do a lot of long distance driving, and sometimes I just want that quietness to go along with it. But anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys. If you got any more questions about the mid pipes, go ahead, leave them in the comments below. Or if there's anything else you want to see me do reviewing on the LC, let me know and I'll try to record that as well. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for tuning in.